Hi everyone, Storm Team 3's Case and Frericks here with the News 3 weather update. We're tracking a very active weather pattern for our area. We've seen some rain here for our Thursday morning. That will continue into the early afternoon hours before transitioning over into some snowfall. And with that snowfall will bring some very gusty winds that could produce near whiteout conditions for much of our area. We're also tracking some very chilly temperatures and wind chills for our weekend. Now let's hop right into it now with our future radar, and you can see here starting off on Thursday there is that big glob, that low pressure system that is continuing on, will transfer from some rain early on in the afternoon over to some snow, and then later on, as you can see throughout the loop here as we head back through, we'll stay clear for our Friday, no snow or rain in the forecast, but then there's that next round of winter weather mix we could see for the afternoon and evening portions of Saturday. Not expecting much with that system, but could produce a little bit of snow for us. And then now let's take a wider view here at our surface map. You can see this is a very strong system of low pressure here, followed by that cold front that stretches all the way down from parts of New Mexico, even almost to Arizona, and it heads all the way up into parts of Canada. This is a very strong system, and this is a part of this Arctic air mass that is going to continue to move its way south out of Canada, and why we're going to see such prolonged temperatures and some very cold weather over a long period of time. Because of the snowfall we're going to have today, and because of the very strong winds that we're going to see, we are under winter weather advisory. That'll start at the noon hour today on Thursday and will last until the morning hours on Friday. And that covers areas, the areas there shaded in the bluish purple. That's McDonough, Warren, Henderson, and Hancock counties in our surrounding area. The snowfall totals, though, we're not going to see much. Looking about a dusting to 1 inch for most of our area. Could see possibilities of 2 inches of snow as we head a little bit farther north. And what's really important about this and why we have the winter weather advisory is because even with the little amount of snow that we're going to be getting, with the strong winds we're going to have, it could lead to whiteout conditions for us. So it's going to be a very treacherous end of your workday and as you're heading home. So you're going to want to take precautions. The roads are going to be slick, especially from the rain, as our temperatures continue to drop into the overnight. And for tonight, we're going to see around upper teens to lower 20s for much of the area. Quincy, Beardstown, Springfield, and Nevada will all hold on into the lower 20s. And then for tomorrow, this will be a day we rebound just a little bit, but this is going to be the best day for quite a long time. Temperatures going to reach the 20s for most of us. Monmouth in a cold spot at only around 20, but then much of our southern cities are going to see the lower 30s. Here in Macomb, a low of 19 tonight. Winds are going to stay gusty throughout the night, sustained at around 22 miles an hour, but we could see gusts as high as 40 to maybe even 50 miles per hour tonight. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy. It's going to stay chilly once again around here, and we could see those wind chills will be rather chilly out there because we'll have winds still at 16 miles per hour out of the north. And our new 7-day outlook here, Saturday, that's our next chance for that snowfall. We're going to see the most of that is going to take place in the afternoon hours. And as we head into our Sunday, look at the chilly temperatures, only 10 as a high on Sunday, and just that'll be the trend into next week. Temperatures only reaching 10 degrees, if not the upper single digit numbers. And look at our lows for those nights, negative numbers. So it's going to be very chilly. And of course, as we head in later week, we'll track out a little bit more on the next chances we could see some winter weather.